Let's build this 3D responsive website, portfolio website using React.js and Tailwind CSS. For mobile, so we will start to build this portfolio website, 3D portfolio website, and which is responsive also using React.js and Tailwind CSS. So let's start first of all, create our React app. I have opened an empty folder inside VS Code editor. So let's open terminal. Control plus backtick to open the terminal. After opening that, we will create our React app. npm create with at latest, the latest version. Press enter. It will ask from as project name. So project name dot, it means the same folder. We will use React.js, JavaScript, plain, and no, yes. Let's now install, the installation completed. Now we will install Tailwind CSS. Control C to stop it, clear. To install Tailwind CSS, come here to the browser. Our React app is running, but let's install Tailwind CSS. Tailwind, wait. Oh, I think I'm not connected with the internet. So let's now open, after searching that, let's open now, just come here down to the percept installing Tailwind CSS with wit. So after opening that, let's now copy this npm install Tailwind CSS, copy this and come here to the terminal, paste that, press enter. So after installation of these, we will install icons. We will install React Icons library. This is React Icons library. We will install this and React page flip. Okay, for page flipping. This is library, React page flip. These are some docs related to this library. We'll just come here and find so after the installation, come here back, and here it says just import this Tailwind CSS in wit.config.ts file or js file, this one. Import that. After importing that, we will use the Tailwind CSS method here, like this. That's it. Now let's move to src to the index.css. And here let's open, just import Tailwind CSS. Let's copy this. Control A, remove all the CSS code and paste that here. Also remove the app.css code, the default code, and come here to the app.jsx, and here we will remove the default code and also the count. Just remove all this stuff and come here. We will have a div. Inside that we will have like h1. Okay, those are just the Tailwind CSS classes. Let's now check our app. So let's, yeah, that is not running. So let's run npm run div. So that's it. Hello world. Now let's install React icons and React page flip. Copy this one. And React icons. Installed. So let's now run it to run our app. That is okay. Now let's create components. Come here to the src and we will create a folder. We will name it components. Inside that we will add first page. We have 7 pages in our portfolio. I will name them like first, second, and third, or AFCE. That's it. Let's create the second one. I have created seven pages. Now let's import them. Come here to the app.jsx to use them like a book or pages to flip. So for that we need to import HTML book from React page flip library that we created, that we installed. So let's import that. Import HTML flipbook from React page flip. After importing that, let's now use that here. HTML flipbook, and we will add width and height, size stretched. We will not add these things. I will remove all this stuff. That's okay. It is just, I will remove all this stuff. Just I will add width and height. I will explain other features, other properties later. And we have here 7 pages. I will remove all this, also this stuff, because instead of this I will import these pages. So it will just have 2 pages per, it will display 2 pages. For example, we have 7 pages, we will import all of them, but it will display 2 at the same, at one time. So now let's, here I will create a separate page component. Because to use page flip, we need to have ref. Okay, the ref hook, we should use that. So for that, let's create a separate component here. So let's create that, that is like const. We will name it like page equal to, this is just an arrow function to this. This component will be a forward ref. So to use that, for that simply let's define like react dot forward ref, and we will pass props and ref to this one. And we don't need this step. Just, yeah, just simply like let's remove this also. We don't need the class name. We will pass this strip. Inside that we will have children, and we can simply pass children and just display them here. And let's close that. This is our forward ref. We need to have this. It is must, okay, to use this HTML flipbook to flip the pages. Now inside this I will call that like page. First of all, instead of cover, I will just call like first page, like this. And I will import, yeah, the first page has been imported, yes. Duplicate it. Let's have second page. After importing all these, the width is 300. I will make it like 550. And the height is 500, and we can make it 600. Like this. Save it, and let's now check that. I think that is running our React app or not. Yeah, that is running. Come here and let's refresh that. So it means that we can't see the pages because every page has some text. We can't see that. Let's come here to F12. And dependency of React is not defined. So let's import React. This React, okay, is not defined. Let's check once again. Where is the problem? Objects are not valid as actual found object with keys. Children, if you meant to render a collection of children using array instead, I just come here. Yeah, this is like a separate, like this. We will pause it like this. Yeah, that's okay now. Look at, we have first page and second page. Now, if you want to change the pages, by pressing this, you can change the pages. Here you might have, look at, here is the width of that. Press that, so it will change the pages. Sixth page, and we will move to seventh page also. This is the last pages. We'll come back. Now let's add some Tailwind CSS classes here. I will just add the classes flex, justify center. We will move them to the center horizontally, and minimum height will be 100. BG, we will make it like gray, 600. Okay, this is the background color. And overflow hidden. Let's check that now. Come here, and it looks like this. Okay, the first page and second page. This is the sixth page. But let's bring it vertically also to the center. So for that, simply add items center. Now it will be the center. Yeah, flex, justify center items center. Yeah, that is okay. Minimum height 100, BG, gray 600. Now let's add background color white to all these pages. Like first page and second page, beige, white. Simply instead of that, here add height full, like this. That is okay now. This is the left side page. We will add the content later. But for now, I displayed you everything like this. So I don't want the built-in click be like this, okay? I don't want this feature, mouse feature. Click it, it will change the page. I don't want these features. So to stop these features, for that simply we will use mouse event false. Come here to the HTML flip book and use mouse events. We will change this to false. Simply save it, and let's now check it. Look at, we can change. Press that. Yeah, that is still working. That was use mouse event equal to with false. That is okay. Let's save it once, refresh it once. We can see it. Okay, look at, we can see that effect now. Now let's design our pages. So to design our pages, for that, let's design our first page, which was just the cover book or the image at the top, then social links, then about me, then buttons. So for that, simply let's move to the first page, and the page will be gray, 100, like this. So simply come here, we will have our design like this. Okay, the first one, image at the top, name, position, then links, then about me, then two buttons. So for that, simple, just come here and I will add, first of all, we will have this shadow. Okay, at the right side we have shadow like this, so I will add this shadow. So for that, I will have a div element. So after simply I will design it, add some Tailwind CSS classes to this to add the shadow. Down from that we have an image. So simply div element, then we will have image. Close that. This was for the image section. Down from that we had the name section. So for the name section, simply let's write like h2 keyword, and simply I will write Yusuf Khan, this my name. Down from that we had the position. So for the position I can use like p tag, okay, web developer. Down from that we had the social links. So for that, simply we will use, we had the React icons library. we will use this icon for Facebook like this. Import this one, and down we can just add like wrap these in anchor tag. For Twitter, then LinkedIn. So I have imported all these 4 links also. Down from these links, we had the section up about me. Let's check that. We had this about me section. So for that also we can use the p tag. Down from this, we had 2 buttons. The first button, which was about download CV. The second one, which was about contact me. Now I will add Tailwind CSS classes to design this. Let's first of all check it how it looks like. It looks like this. Let's add first of all the shadow. I will make it absolute because I want to move it to the right side. Absolute. And the parent one should be relative. Right 0 and height full. Width will be like 12. And also let's add basic gradient. Basic gradient to right side or to left. From gray 300 via gray 100 to transparent. That's it. This is just about the shadow. Down from that we had the image. So for the image I will add the width like, yeah, that's okay. Rounded full beige gray 300 overflow hidden. Save it. We will add a border also to this one. So I will add the border later. So let's make the image class name width full, height full, object cover. Yeah, that's okay. It looks like this. I will add an image also here. So I have image here. I added that here and imported it like this. Now I will use it inside the image. Let's add Tailwind CSS classes to this name, which is text 3XL and font bold. And let's make it 4XL. 6 and to this p tag. This TP tag will have, I will just add custom color blue color to this one. So that blue color has the hash value 00A9FF. We can use this for the border also. So for the border of the image, so I will add that later. So now after that font will be semi-bold, that's it. And text LG, text we will make the text XL, extra large, margin top 1. Class name to these social icons, let's check them. Yeah, these are block element. I will make them flex. Flex, simply flex. Gap 4, margin top 4, and text, let's make it like this. Now we have this p tag, and also to these two buttons, the first button and the second button. So it looks like this finally. You will just add some text. Let's make it padding X. So it looks like that is great. Let's make it. So let's come here now. We have the button is okay. Let's change the HO, or whenever we move mouse to this, we will change the page to this color hash 00 A9FF, like this. That is okay. Let's also change the color of this. I will copy this color because change the color of this. That's it. Now let's change the background color, the color of these social icons also. That's it. We will add now the class name, border, this color, and padding 2 and padding 1.5 and round it full. That's it. What else? Space between name and this. Let's add margin. I will make it margin Y, top and bottom, like this. But in bottom, I will add like 4. It should look like this. That's also okay. Now just let's wrap all these component elements inside a div element. Control X, and I will wrap all this stuff inside a div, and here I will add class name flex, justify flex column, justify center, and items center. Simply like this. It looks now nice now. This was the first page that we designed. Now let's design the second page. So the shadow, yeah, that looks like great. Come here to the second page. I will design that also. So the second page looks like this. Okay, work experience. So let's add that. we will have h2 tag for work experience. And let's add classes, Tailwind CSS classes, to just text to XL, the size up this one, or we can make it 3XL per smaller. Then I will change that. Font bold, text center, margin bottom art from margin bottom 8. Down from that we will have our experiences. So we will let's start. So for that we will create have a div element. Inside that we will have an array of these job, these experiences, these. Okay, we will have an arrow which has the date and title and the description. So inside this array we will have year and company. Like first of all, in object we will add an object because we have 3 or 4 or 5 jobs that we done. Like 2020 to 2033. Then we will have a company. We will add the description also. So I will copy description from this one by Control C and paste that here. Control C, we will have the second one and we will have the third one. We have these 3 work experience. Now to this array we will use map functions to go through this, and here we will have item and index. So inside this now let's return, or instead of return statement we will simply use the parenthesis. Sorry, this is div element. This span is okay, this span tag is per this line. We'll just add a class name, width to this 5 or 3, whatever you add, and height 5. pg will be that custom color that we had, 00 A9FF. So from left side it will be 35 minus 35 pixel. This is just the dot that we had. Okay, this dot. So let's come here. Look at, we have this dot. Page width, height full. That's it. That is okay now. Down from this one we will have a p tag where we will have the, first of all we will print the year. For example, web developer, whatever job is, just write that job, and later here you can mention the company also, item.company. Down from that we will have the item.description, like this. Okay, now let's just add Tailwind CSS classes to design this. So first of all, we will come to the parent div element. The width should be full, and it should be relative. After that, pg is white, that's okay. Shadow, we can add shadow also. XL, height full. Yes, that looks like this. We can adjust padding also, padding 6. Yeah, it looks like great now. For this H2, that is work experience. Yeah, work experience, okay. Come here down, this div element, we will now design this one. It is the relative border left side 4. Yeah, to the left side we will add a border, that blue border that we had a line. pg will be, sorry, border. We will add color to the border. Padding left side 6 space y10. Let's sequence that. Look at, we have this line, but we will bring these dots here to the top. Absolute, yeah, let's make it left the dash, so let's make it 20 pixel. I think that is 16 or 12. Yeah, because the border was 6, so it is 12. That is okay. Now we have, let's now make it these date and the icon. So add here class name flex, padding right 2, items center, yes, space x will be 2. It is not working because we don't have 2 separate elements. So instead of this, let's add class name padding right 2. That is okay. Now we will make it generate. Change the color of this. Just copy this color. Yes. That is okay. So this is all about work experience, but I will just make it beige white, height full, width full, relative. So let's just change this minimum height to screen. Okay. After changing this, it will take a look good design. So just it has been increased. Let's come here to the second page. In second page, we just want to add, make it like 6, and this is bold, and come here down, padding left, space Y, I will make it 6. That's also great. Yeah, it looks like better now, but we will change the description. Let's just come here, class name, text, SM. Let's make it small, but let's make it LG. Oh no. Leave it in the same position. Let's change it back to text XSM. Yeah, that is okay, but let's add here the space Y to 10. Come here, where was that? This is 10. Yeah, that looks great, but I would like to add some classes here to that will be like class relative. And here I will add key index. That is okay. Okay, it looks like this, but this is absolute, yes. But let's remove it. Okay, it doesn't affect. This is about our work experience. Our third page will be about education. Education is same to work experience. Okay, we don't need any extra thing, same like this, but just I will change this array. So for this third place, let's come here to the third page. I will copy the whole code of this second page. Paste it because the same thing as we explained. And let's make it education. And after education here, like the same, okay, just change like this. And just copy from this one. Like this, okay, I will not change the description. I just remove this web developer also. And let's check that now. Just come here, and I think I didn't import something like by calendar at. Let's import it here. Yes. And we can't see now because we need to flip the page, but let's hide these pages. Instead of this, now I will display just the education. Instead of work experience, I will display education. So come here to the app because we will implement the page flip later. Let's comment these first two pages. Like we have the education, but we will just add here the shadow as we added to the first page. Let's come here to the first page, and I will copy just the shadow that we had, like this one. Okay, this shadow. Copy this. Come here to the third page and add that here. That was down from this div element, and so we will change the color, background color of this page to gray under it. That's it. Okay, this is all about our education page that we have. After the education, we have my services pages. So now let's implement this my services page on the fourth page. I think the shadow has been added here, but let's. Is reality shadow XL. height full, right 0, and the top should be 0 also, top 0. Yeah, that's it now. It is okay. Come here to the fourth page, which will looks like our My Services page. So same to the fourth page, I will paste, sorry, not this. Paste that, but simply let's make this My Services and the same div element, but we will change this array to our cards. So let's remove this, and we will have now our 4 cards for our services. So let's have here a div element. Inside this div element we will have an array. So let's create this array, our first object, where we have icon, and the icon will be like the first one is code, the coding icon. Let's import that and close this. We will add size to this one. The size will be 35. Down from icon we will have title. So the first title of our service is the web development. Let's add a comma here. This is our first service. Now let's add the second service, which is icon first of all, and the icon is pencil ruler. That's it. And we will add size, and the size will be 35. Let's add the size here, 35, like this. This was our array. Now let's use the map function, and here we will write service, and here index. Let's wrap that, and here we will just use the div element. That's it. Inside this div element we will have, first of all, print the icon. So to print icon div, we will just write service dot icon. Let's close this div element. Down from that we will have our title, super title. I will use h3 tag, service dot title. Down from that we will have the p tag. It means just a little bit description. So for the description I will simply write it. Okay, you can add it to the array also, but simply I will add it like this for all of them. And down from that we will have a button. So the button will be read more. Key index. That's it. So let's check it now. So it looks like this. I will just add the Tailwind CSS classes to design it. I will add a border also. So let's design it. First of all, we will just come here and to add class name create calls 2. It means 2 per row, and we will add gap 6. Let's now come here to this div element, where we will add the class name. First of all, border 2, border color, which is the custom color 009AFF. After that, round it XL, and padding will be 4, or we can make it 6 per larger. Screen text center shadow SM, H over shadow, I'll make it like XL. Transition, and I will just add Tailwind CSS classes. Just wait. So I have added the classes to other rest of the code also, like these were which we wrote, and this was for this icon, text blue, margin bottom, flex, justify center, then font bold, and for this button also. Let's now check it. Just come here, look at it, looks like better. Okay. This is all about our my services, and this is the previous. So after this we have the pages up, my skills. Okay, now we will design this my skill page. So for to design my skill page, it should just have front end, back end, and UI UX. Just come here and simply I will comment these two because we designed these two also. Comment these, and we will display now this fifth page, which is the my skills. Yeah, my skills page. So for the my skill, I will come here to the third page, copy this code, come here to the fifth one and paste it, because we need just the title. I will remove this step, and here we have my skills. That's it. This is all about our fifth page. So let's check that. Let's save it. After saving it, now we will see just my skills. Now let's design that. So first of all, we will have the front end design. Front end. So for the front end, let's have a div element inside that we will have an array app front end skills that we have. So for that, let's create the array. Inside this the object, and inside this object, first of all, we will have an icon. So the icon, the first skill that we have, that is HTML. So for HTML5, that's it. We'll add a class name, and we will close this icon. This is the first one, icon. Second property will be label, which is HTML, like this. Now let's add the class also. We would like to design it. So to design it, the text, first of all, we will add the text color, which is blue color, #009AFF. So after the color, we will add each over. Okay, whenever we each over on this, we will change the text to white. It means the color of this blue color to white, text white. There is no any other property yet. This one is okay. So comma and duplicate it. The second skill, that is CSS, for CSS3 alt. This one here, I think that was CSS3 alt, and we will change this to CSS. The third skill, which is JavaScript, which is SI JavaScript. Okay, we will import it from SI library, and let's add here JavaScript. And the fourth one, which is Angular. Okay, after that, let's make it Angular. Duplicate it. After Angular, we will add for React. We will import from FI. Yes, from FA. This one is okay. React.js. So after React.js, other library is Bootstrap. Si Bootstrap. After Bootstrap we will add the last one, which is Tailwind CSS. Now let's add map function to go through this. We will have scale, indexed, and now let's add div element. So inside this div element, now we will print first of all the icon. So for the icon div, and that is like scale dot icon div. We will close the div tag. After that we will have a span where we will print the label. Dot label. That's it. Now let's add classes. Okay, first of all we will just design this front end, and here we will add font semi-bold, and after that text black, margin bottom 4 down. Come here to this div element, and we will add the grade calls 4, gap will be like 3, margin bottom 8. Now come here to this div element, key index, and here I will add the class name flex column, items center, justify center, and after that border will be 2, the width is 2, border color will be our custom color, this blue color. That's it. And after that rounded, this is okay, the cart rounded LG, and padding X will be 3, padding Y 2. Come here to this icon, text XL, margin bottom 1, down from this to this span tag, class name text access font medium, and the text will be this blue color, and h over text white. So that's it. Now let's check that. Okay, so it was the 5th page. Just come here. Yeah, it looks like this, but whenever we h over, we can see the effect. So just come here, border, h over, we will change the color bg to blue color. That's it. But let's change the color. Okay, whenever we h over on this card, we will change the text color to white, as we added here h over text white. So for that, to h over on this parent div element, for that we will add here the group property, and we will use here group h over also with icon. So here Control D, select all h over, here the add group. Look at, that's it. Now just the Tailwind CSS can't be placed here. Come here to the Tailwind. That's all about. Just come here and width, make it the width of this to 8. So after the front end, now we will add the backend skills. The same, just we will change these icons. So I will do for backend, and UI UX design, because everything is same as we did here. I will simply come here, Alt Shift F, format the document. After formatting the document, simply I will copy this code, okay, this code, per backend. So I have implemented for backend same, just I change the icon and label, and also for the UI UX design. Let's check it now, just okay. So these are our cards that we have. Backend, frontend, my skills, everything is okay. It's working fine. Now let's come here to the sex page. Okay, we would like to design the sex page which is about latest projects. So for the latest projects, we can just have an image, and we have this project name and 2 buttons, live preview, more project, and source code. This was our 5th one, so let's copy the 4th one because we just want to have the title. Copy this, come here to the 6th one, paste it here. I will remove all this stuff, this code. Latest project. Look at latest project. This is our latest project. So now let's design it like this. So let's first of all hover the top image. So I have an image here. Look at this image. I will display this image. So for that, let's have a div element. Inside this div element, we will have an image tag. So here, let's first of all import the image. Import portfolio from asset/portfolio portfolio.png. That's it. And now we will use that here. Portfolio. Yeah, this is our image. So let's add class name and to designs and add some Tailwind CSS classes. So the person would be border. The color of that would be like hash 0098 This is the border color, and later we will add border 2. It means the width of border, and padding 2, rounded LG, margin bottom 4, and margin bottom 8. Let's add classes to image also, rounded LG. It will make the corners round, and height would be like, let's make it 64, and width full. We will check it later. So let's check that. Okay, come here to the Chrome browser. Yeah, this one. Look at, we have this image, and down from this image we will add now this project name, a live preview, and this stuff like this. H3 tag inside this project name. Down from this we will have an anchor tag inside this live preview like this. Let's add class name, flex justify between, and items center. Come here to H3 tag. So to this we will add font bold and text black. That's it, and text LG. Come here to the anchor tag. So to this one we will add, just change the text color to this one, blue color. Yes, copy this, paste it here. Text SM, font medium, each over underline. That's it. Let's check it now. Look at project name and live preview. Down from that we will have this text and 2 buttons. Let's make a tech used. That means the technology used for this. And inside this, let's simply copy this text. Yes, if we use this now, we will have two buttons down. The first button, which is source code. The second one about more projects. Class name, flex, gap 3 between these two buttons. Margin top will be 5. Let's design the first button and second button. So I have designed these two buttons as we were designing before other buttons. So let's check it now. Just come here and we have these source code, more projects, and this was all about latest project pages that we have. Now after this, let's come here. We have the final page, which is contact me. We have a form. So for this page, let's now come here back to Control B to up.jsx, and here we will comment these two. We will add one another, okay, empty page for the 8th page, which is empty page because it is rendering two pages at the same time. And to the 7th pages, let's move to 7th page, and now we will design this form. Come here to 6th page, and I will copy these first two line and come here and paste it here instead of this contact me. Now we will have a form. So let's, sorry, this is forum, and inside this forum we will have 3 input fields. The first input field, which is text, and it is, let's add placeholder that is full name. The second one, which is for the email, type email and add placeholder email address. The second one, which is per message, and that is text area, and we will add here message id message. And rows, we will add rows 6 rows it means. And down from that we will have a button which is send message. That's it. Just come here. Yeah, look at full name, email address, and send message, this contact field. So now I will add the Tailwind CSS classes to design this. So I have added Tailwind CSS classes like for this one, okay, for forum, flex column, gap pipe, border. I added border to them, to all of them. Nothing hard, just as we explained everything. Like this it looks like. And send button. So it was all about our pages that we designed. Now the second step that we would like to add, page flip. Okay, to add buttons at the bottom, whenever we press these buttons, we would like to change, flip the pages. So after that we will add responsiveness to make it responsive for mobile also. So let's first of all add the page flip. Come here to update gsx, and we have, first of all, let's uncomment all these. Yes, the first page. So I will add here per desktop, okay, per larger screen, I will add here a button. Whenever we press that, we will flip the page to second page, and also the page number here. So for that I will move to the first page. Here I will have, first of all, a button an empty button. Down from that, we will have at the mid of this, we will have p tag, and we will display the page number like second page. This is second page. And the last, we will have a button or an icon that we will display inside this button. So let's display an icon here. Okay, that icon is bar angle. That is, I think, bar angle right. Yeah, to this one, I will just display right one. And let's add Tailwind CSS classes. Yeah, for this, the first button we will display for angle left, but that will be for mobile devices. Okay, we will not display that for desktop. So let's this one. Flex justify between items center, and let make it absolute because we want to move this to the bottom of the page, bottom 3 and left 0, right 0, and we tell padding x like 6. Okay, so let's check it now. Just come here to the page and look at, we have this for the first page, but I don't want to add it for the first page. Okay, I will shift this from first page to the second page. We want to add it on the second page. For the larger screen, we don't need these buttons on the first page because we can't move to the previous or to the next page whenever we press here, so we will move to that. So just come here and I will cut it. Control X, let's move to the second page and to the bottom of second page. Just come here. That's it. And let's check it now. So yeah, let's import these icons. And let's come here to the right. That's it. Okay, I have imported. Save it. Now let's check it. So look at, we have these at the right side and at the left side. Let's add some styles also, like to the first button. I will add some Tailwind CSS classes to design these buttons. So these are okay. After adding the classes, it looks like this. Let's come here to the browser. So okay, we have this. Okay, when you are sure, so it will change the background color. But on the left side, I hide the button, this one, this icon, because for a larger screen we don't want to flip to the left side because there is no page. So on larger screen we will just flip onto the right side, but for mobile devices we will see that button also. So it was all about this. Now let's add page flip. So to add page flip, whenever we press and this icon, look at this one. So we will move to the previous, okay, to the next page. So to move to the next page for this, let's come here to the app, and here we want to add two methods. One for to move to the previous, and the second one for to move to the next pages. So for that, let's first of all create two methods, okay, two functions. Come here down. Go next. Okay, to go next. So for that, we need a rip. Okay, rip hook. So for rip hook, let's first of all create that const book rip equal to, we will use rip, import that. So after importing that, we will assign by default null. Now we will use it here on HTML flip. So let's simply add here rip book rip. By using this rip, we can access the properties of this HTML flip book. So now we will use this book rip dot current, then a question, it means it is optional, dot page flip. We will use page flip method of HTML flip book component. After that, we will use flip next. We will call this flip next button. The same thing we will do for the previous also. Copy this and paste it here, and instead of go next, go previous. like this. And instead of flip next, we will call flip previous. Okay, flip previous. It's all about the two methods that we used for flip to the right side and to the previous and to the next pages. To the first page, we will not pass any method, but let's pass to the second page. To the second page, we will pass go next because we want to move to the next page. So we will pass previous also because for the mobile devices. Yes, so this was the second page. Let's move now to the second page and we will extract them there. Let's come here and we will extract them here. Go next, comma, go previous. Now let's use the go next button. Come here and whenever we press on this, on click, call go next method. Save it. Let's now try it. Come here to the Chrome browser and let's press this go next. Look at, we flipped the page successfully. It was very easy. Okay, that we flip the pages. Now we will add to this, to the education. To the education, we will add to the left side and to the right side, and also for my services to the, for the education, we will add on the left side. But for mobile devices, we will have on right side also. And also for my services as we did for now for the second page. So it means that I will copy this, the exact thing I will do for the fourth page also, for this fourth page for my services. Come here to the fourth page, extract this, paste it here, Alt Shift F, and let's import these icons and also the right one, save it. Sorry, I think I missed something. Yeah, we don't have the go next and go previous methods, so let's extract them. Let's say pass them to the fourth page also. Copy this and come here to the fourth page and paste it, save it. That's it. By pressing this, let's press it again as we did it. Now we will add to the latest project also. Let's go now and copy this and paste it on sixth page. Paste it here. After that, come here to the sixth page. I will copy this code also. Just come here. Copy this, come here to the sixth page. Alt Shift F. Let's import these icons. The right one also. And also let's extract the go next and go previous. That's it. And come here now. Come here. Now look at on the latest project, whenever we press this, so we will move to the last page, which is contact me. Now here to the contact, we will add to the previous. Okay, to move back to the previous pages. So for that, simply we have this code. Let's come here and I will paste that here. Alt Shift F, and we will hide this. We don't want to have for next. Okay, after the, let's remove this also, everything, just about an empty button for the design, and come here to the left. That is okay. Let's import it, and here we will call previous to go previous. Just come here and click, we will call go previous, and let's extract the go previous here. Yes, and let's go back and pass the go previous to the last page, to this one. Okay, go previous, go previous, save it, and now we will try it. Come here. We can't see that. Let's seventh page. Yeah, that was hidden part. Let's make it black, remove this. Yeah, let's press now this We will just change the padding 155, 1.5, and color text H009A double F. Save it and let's check it. Look at, so let's press it. So look at, we came back to the previous page. Now we will add to this one, okay, to the my skills, the previous also. Come here to the fifth page and I will add to the fifth page. Paste it here, Alt Shift F, import left and right. We will display the MD hidden. It means per medium devices, I will hide this right side icon for larger screen. Okay, for a larger screen, I will hide this. Let's call pass go next and go previous also. So I have passed to the fifth page. Okay, let's press this. Look at, that is okay. Let's add now to the education one also. As we add for the fifth page, we will add to the third page also. Yes. So let's call the method go previous. I didn't pass. Okay, so let's pass to the third page also. Yes, that's okay. So it's working good. Now let's make it responsive for mobile also. Okay, so whenever we press this, we want to display, look at, the text can be displayed good and the mobile devices, and also we want to add this here 2 buttons to go to the next. It means 1 button at the right side to go to the next page. So to design it for the mobile devices, let's come here first of all to the first page and to this text. Max width will be 80, but for MD devices max width none. So look at, that is 80, but let's make it 96. Okay, that is okay. Now what else we need to do? So let's first of all adjust the size. Okay, the size of pages. Okay, just the whole problem that we have, that is we will adjust this width. Okay, it means to make it usable per mobile. Also we should add the use portrait to be adjustable for the mobile sizes. It means we will add this property. Okay, just come here. Mobile scroll support, that is okay. We will add the property true to this. And the second, the for mobile devices, we should add this property. Okay, use portrait true. It means now it is the value is true per portrait mode. Also, it is a good for to use for the mobile. Now let's adjust this size. Okay, for mobile devices, we will not use the same size as we used for larger screen. So first of all, let's add size property, which is fixed. And the second thing is we will make it dynamic. This width should be dynamic. So to make this width dynamic, let's first of all add a value const mobile width, set mobile width use state. We will yes, use state property. Inside this use state, we will add window dot inner inner width less than or equal to 768 pixel. Then we will add window dot inner width. I think that is working fine, but by 558 will work. Yeah. So here I should add question mark. So I have added use state. Okay, if the window dot inner width, if the inner width of the screen was less than 768 pixel, then use this size. Otherwise, use the default 550 size per the page width. Now we will make it dynamic. Let's use effect hook to make it dynamic. So inside this, we will create a function const handle size equal to inside this method. Let's simply just a minute. Inside this, we will call set mobile width, and we will pass this value. Copy it, paste it here. Let's call now handle size method. Now let's add event listener whenever we resize the browser. So we will call this use effect. Let's use window dot add event listener resize whenever we make it resize. So we will call handle resize method. Down we will remove it back return, call this function dot remove event listener enter size. That's it. Okay, that's it. Just come here to the first page and to the image, margin bottom, margin top 16. Eight mg margin top 16. Sorry, margin top. Sorry, this is it. Like this, it should look like this. Also, let's change this color, BG gray. Just come here to the up. BG gray 600. I will make it BG white MD BG gray 600. That's it. Now let's add here at the bottom just an icon to flip page to the next page. So for that, come here to the first page. I will add that here. Let's come here to the second page. I will copy this code and I will paste that here, as we doesn't have for the previous page. So I will remove this button. Okay, yes, remove this. And here we will have, this is first page. Just a minute. So I will just pass this go next and extract it here. And let's pass it from here, go next. But let's make it, we will just MD hidden. It means for medium devices it should be hidden. We can't see that. Let's justify between absolute bottom 3, left 0, right 0, padding XX. Why we can't see these? So yeah, I didn't use this property, okay, the dynamic property here. So this width should be mobile width, okay, the property that I have used. Now it will work, because let's refresh it now. So look at, we have this first page and here we have button. By pressing this we will change the page to next page. Now look at, we have for both pages, if we press this and we can't move to the previous page. Let's come here to the second page and second page. And we didn't call, yeah, the go previous function here. Let's unclick go previous. So now it will work. Look at, press it back, we will move to the education page. So here it will not work. Yeah, that will work because we called, I think. Come here to the third page, go previous, go next, that is okay. And on fourth page we should call that also. We passed that or not? Yes, we passed that. Let's unclick go previous. Same to the fifth page, we will call go previous, that is okay. And sixth page we will call unclick, sorry, go previous. And seventh page, next page, next page, and next page, next page, everything is okay. Look at contact me. Just I will change these pages number. So come here to the first page, which is first, the second page, second, third page, third, and come here to the fourth page, which is 4, fifth page, 5, sixth page will be 6, seventh page will be 7. Save that. Fine, let's refresh it once again, back, look at. So we can just go to the next, yes, go previous, go back, next, 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 go previous, go next, go next, go previous, go next, next. Yeah, this was all about our portfolio. Let's check it now. Look at, go previous, go next, go next. Everything is okay. This was all about our portfolio that we built using React.js and Tailwind CSS, 3D portfolio website, and a very good design if you want to build a portfolio for your own self or for your client, so you can use it. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.